High blood pressure is a very common condition that affects about a third of all adults in the UK. But, huge numbers of people might not even realize they have the condition, which is also known as hypertension. Hypertension is a very serious condition that increases the risk of some deadly complications, including heart attacks. The condition puts extra stress on blood vessels and vital organs. But it's not always easy to know if you're at risk of high blood pressure. It rarely causes any noticeable symptoms during its early phases, but there might be some telltale signs to look out for. Some patients might find that they develop particularly painful headaches, according to Riverside Health System. Anxiety and shortness of breath could also be a sign of the deadly condition, it added. However, these symptoms usually only develop if you have particularly high blood pressure. It's important to get your blood pressure checked regularly, as many patients have no symptoms at all. Unfortunately, high blood pressure can happen without feeling any abnormal symptoms, it said. Moderate or severe headaches, anxiety, shortness of breath, nosebleeds, palpitations, or feeling of pulsations in the neck are some signs of high blood pressure. Often, these are late signs that high blood pressure has existed for some time, therefore annual checks are recommended for all adults. Because there aren't any symptoms, it's important to have your blood pressure checked regularly. Get to know the numbers and when to get help from your doctor. The easiest way to know if you're at risk of high blood pressure is to get your blood pressure checked. You can check your risk of hypertension at your local GP surgery, or even at some pharmacies. Everybody over the age of 40 should get their blood pressure checked at least every 5 years. It's vital that hypertension is diagnosed sooner rather than later, because it can raise the risk of heart attacks or strokes. Meanwhile, you could lower your risk of high blood pressure by making just a few lifestyle changes. One of the easiest ways to protect against hypertension is to eat a healthy, balanced diet. Cutting back on the amount of salt you eat is usually the first port of call. All adults should avoid eating more than 6 grams of salt in a single day, the equivalent to about a teaspoonful. Related articles: high blood pressure, 3 symptoms of a hypersensitive crisis. High blood pressure symptoms, nosebleed, serious sign. High blood pressure, the 5 key breakfast items that lower BP.